Since 1925, EcoWater Systems has been developing innovative and state-of-the-art technology to take care of your home water needs. Can you smell chlorine in your water? As the chlorine indicator is added to this container, it identifies that there is chlorine in the water by changing color. Now, watch as we place a finger into the tap water. When the chlorine indicator is added, look what happens. The water stays clear. Compare the colors in the two containers and notice that the one that had a finger in it is much lighter in color. Where did the chlorine go? The chlorine has been absorbed through the skin. An EcoWater Systems water refiner, more than just a softener, also removes chlorine taste and odor. EcoWater, clean water, green future.
Took him up north when he was 3 months. He had a bit of dry skin before we went. It was between Christmas and New Year, and when we were up there we noticed that it got really, really bad in his chest. So we took him to my father-in-law's GP. He was prescribed a steroid cream. Once we came back, over a couple of weeks, it was just getting progressively worse and worse to the stage where it was oozing and bleeding all over his body, head to toe. Head to his face, cheeks, everything. He was just covered. Crying all night, not sleeping more than 15-20 minutes. They prescribed Piriton to try and make him sleep. His cot was covered in blood. It was just a complete nightmare. And then I went on the internet and I started doing a bit of research, and I came across the KIOSK website. So I gave them a ring. Somebody came to the house and we got the water softener installed. And within a couple of weeks, you started noticing a difference. It was where it used to be oozing and really, really wet. It was starting to dry up. The first start, we could see it in his hands and his feet, and then progressively over, I don't know, about a month, it was just all drying up. Started sleeping through the night. I mean, just a completely different baby. Just so happy, and I'm just so lucky that KIOSK water softener worked on Dylan.
Since 1925, EcoWater Systems has been developing innovative and state-of-the-art technology to take care of your home water needs. Our hard water soap test shows how hard water can decrease the effectiveness of soap. Notice that the sample containing soft water is much clearer and full of soap suds, while the hard water is cloudy and has a lot less suds. It would take up to 12 more drops of soap to get the same level of suds as the soft water. That means with hard water, you're using up to 70% more soap than with soft water. An EcoWater Systems water conditioner removes hardness, minerals, and sediment, providing you with cleaner, softer clothes and towels, and extended life for appliances, faucets, and pipes. EcoWater, clean water, green future.
At EcoWater, our main focus is enhancing your quality of life, and we never lose sight of that goal, a goal that includes safeguarding the environment. We understand our role and responsibility as a manufacturer, and we're continually striving to reduce the environmental impact of the products we create and the services we provide. For the consumer, the advanced product engineering of our water treatment equipment helps reduce home energy consumption and extends the life cycles of appliances, both of which lead to a smaller environmental footprint. Creating products with reduced energy consumption reduces electricity demand and any potentially harmful effects associated with power generation. At EcoWater, we don't just talk about being environmentally friendly, we live it every day throughout our manufacturing process. There's a strong overriding emphasis on creating and sustaining environmentally friendly processes in all our manufacturing. Becoming greener in everything we do is an ongoing commitment. Recycling has become an important part of the eco-water manufacturing process. Here's just one example. Water is a major component of our testing process. We use it for testing softeners in the lab, annually testing up to 4,000 different softeners. In the past, water used in the testing process would simply go down the drain. Now, all water used in our softening testing processes is sent to a reclamation water tank and is subsequently reused in other testing throughout our factory. This has reduced our water consumption by 50%. And our recycling initiative goes way beyond just water. We recycle the plastic and scrap from our manufacturing process. All recyclable scrap products are ground down so they can be used again. We also recycle corrugated cardboard, wooden pallets, paper, computer equipment, circuit boards, and metal scrap. A commitment to reducing our reliance on hazardous chemicals also represents how EcoWater is embracing a stronger environmental manufacturing stance. We've made a concerted effort to reduce the hazardous substances used to manufacture our equipment. In the past, we utilized an ABS liner with isophthalic resin and fiberglass in the manufacturing of a resin tank. This process also included styrene as a manufacturing ingredient, and because styrene is a difficult substance to remove, methylene fluoride had to be used to clean the machines. Today, we've done away with the ABS liner and the isophthalic resin and replaced it with a polyethylene liner utilizing epoxy and fiberglass. We no longer use styrene in the manufacturing process, and as a result, we've been able to eliminate the need for methylene fluoride as well. Both of these hazardous substances have been completely eliminated from our products. Under the SARA 313 law, manufacturers must report hazardous chemical usage to regulatory agencies, but as a result of working to eliminate hazardous substances in our manufacturing process, EcoWater is no longer required to report. Another milestone achievement in our ongoing commitment to environmentally sensitive manufacturing is the Zero Footprint Certificate of Compliance designation for water treatment products. EcoWater is proud to announce that we are the first water treatment company to receive this certification. In addition to the many benefits our equipment offers, EcoWater is now purchasing carbon offsets to make our entire manufacturing process carbon neutral. In the United States, we're purchasing offsets from the Capricorn Ridge Wind Farm in Texas, and in Canada, offsets are being purchased to help support a forest restoration project in Maple Ridge, British Columbia. Eco is part of our name. It's always been part of who we are and what we've always stood for, long before it was fashionable to be green. It's something we live up to every day, with our sights firmly focused on a better future for everyone.